Once upon a time, in a quiet town where snow covered every rooftop and every tree looked like it was deeper in sugar, there lived a young girl named Mila. Mila loved Christmas not because of gifts, not because of lights, but because of the mystery it carried. Every year her grandmother would bring out a small wooden box. It was old, curved with the tiny stars and pine branches. Inside that box were handmade Christmas decorations made many, many years ago. No glitter, no glass, just pine cones, ribbons, dried oranges, little piece of nature, memories wrapped in love. Mila always asked, Grandma, why don't we buy new decoration like everyone else? Her grandmother would smile softly and say, Because, my dear, Christmas is not what we buy, Christmas is what we remember and what we share. Pick a pine cone, take a piece of ribbon around the top, then add a tiny note of word on a paper, strip and tie it with the ribbon. Hope, family, peace, home. Now, when you hang it, it becomes more than decoration, it becomes a message. One writer, one winter, Mila, one winter, Mila, one winter, Mira's grandmother was sick. She stayed in bed, wrapped in warm blankets. The house felt quiet. Too quiet. Mila looked at the little wooden box and understood. This Christmas, it was her turn. She put on her boots and stepped outside. In the snow-covered forest, she walked slowly, collecting pine cones twice and tiny wild berries. Her hands were cold, but her heart was warm. When she returned home, she sat beside the fireplace and crafted. Slowly, carefully, gently, she made pine cones angels with white paper wings. She made pine cones snow trees with green paint on the top. She made garlands of dried berries and jute twine. She decorated her house just like her grandmother always did. Take a pine cone, cut two small leaf-shaped pieces of paper or fabric for wings. Glue them on the back. Add a small beads or wooden balls as the head. Now you have a tiny pine cone angel, symbol of protection and warmth. When your grandmother woke and saw the house, she began to cry softly, not because she was sad, but because she saw memory living again. She held Mila close and said, Christmas continues when love is passed from one heart to another. That evening, neighbor came to visit. They saw the handmade decoration. They felt the warmth in the house. Soon, more families began creating handmade decoration again, not because they could not buy new ones, but because they remember what Christmas truly felt. Hands working together, stories being shared, and hearts being filled. Take a long jute string, tie small knots every few inches, attach pine cone to each knot. Add dried oranges, slice or cinnamon stick in between. Hang it on your wall and above your fireplace. The gardens woven with nature and memory. So, today as you craft your Christmas decoration, remember Mila and her little wooden box. Christmas is not about shiny things. Christmas is about keeping love alive, about remembering those who taught us to feel, about passing warmth from our hands to our homes, to the hearts around us. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for crafting with love. May your home, may your holiday, may your festival be gentle, meaningful, and full of light. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy holiday together. May your home fulfill with craft, love, and togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Take a deep breath and make something beautiful. Make a craft like a pro. And take care, stay blessed. Wishing you a very happy good day to you. Take care, stay blessed. God bless you all.